Here at the Dodge dealership. About to drop off baby, see what the shaking is, and do the brakes alignment. So hopefully everything gets done good. Just get it done right. They want us to pull up over here in this line. We'll pull up over here. Service department. You got the red key in there, right? Huh?
Are you lining for some services?
Yes, sir.
You want to drive in right through there?
Okay. I was waiting for him to close the door.
All right.
Hold him. We're here in the service port. Baby fixed.
How much of this is original on your vehicle? What did you put to it? Did you put any wheels?
No, the only
Did
thing,
you buy the vehicle like this stock off the showroom?
yeah, I bought it like this, but the only thing I put on,
New ones
I
on it?
put new for all the way around, yeah.
Hey, who did the work?
Gills,
You might, I mean, on the balancing issue, I mean, if it's related to the tire itself, and if somebody's already, if you already got some new tires in there, well, let me see what I can do. I mean, if you do the brakes, the front and rear with rotors and everything, I might just comp you the balance on it.
okay, yeah,
I might just comp you the balance on it, but
Okay.
that would be what I would do for you.
okay,
If you're doing the front and the rear brakes and the rotors and you're taking care of that, I don't think I have any problem balancing your tires out. That's what it is. Instead of having to go to Gills and have them redo it.
yeah, redo it, yeah, please. Yeah, I want to do the front and the rear rotors,
Okay.
and then just a 4-wheel alignment, because when I'm driving straight, it feels like if the steering wheel's like right there, like right there, yeah,
Okay.
it feels like it's right there.
Alright, come on inside. It's my computer right now is but I'm not gonna keep you here for that. I already know what we're gonna do. Come on inside.
Yes.
Just gonna get some information here real quick.
Oh, my baby. Thank
Beautiful,
you.
man.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
where's your wheel lock?
It's in the glove compartment.
It's in the glove box?
Yes.
Perfect. That's all I need. Come on over this way.
Yes, sir. I'll go ahead and talk to him, and then we'll get right back with y'all. I'll see you soon. Thank you, Jesus. Gotta get the brakes done, alignment. Hopefully it'll stop the wheel shake. I told them everything. Thank you, Jesus. I have my brother driving the truck, following me over here. It ain't a Hemi, but she acts like it. I know, so. Alright, well, I appreciate everybody watching. We'll get back with y'all when we come back and pick her up. I just took off from the dealership. She sounds a little louder than usual. Way louder than usual. Why did I get up under here? Let's see what's going on. Oh, there it is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it undid itself. I don't know if you can see it in there. Can't really get up under here to show y'all too perfect, but came apart right where it connects. Bring it to Hernandez so they could tighten the bolt back. Could have done it myself, but kind of busy on the road. So, yeah. She sounded too didn't sound right. But we're gonna get it right. You can see it right here. It's still. Yeah, it just needs to be retired. I don't know. Oh, it's loose. Yeah. There's no clamp, right? Yeah, just weld it, yeah. It doesn't fall off again later. He's already done welding it. Go ahead and turn it on, see how she sounds. Yep. Thank you, boss.